Welcome second year BSc student. Paper number MTS 301 Calculus of several variable. Unit number 3 Taylor's theorem and extreme value. Now this is video of Taylor's theorem for function of two variable. Dear friend, first subscribe my YouTube channel PV Patil. Taylor's theorem for function of two variable. Statement of the theorem is if f of xy possesses first condition continuous partial derivative of nth order in the neighborhood of point AB. A plus h b plus k be any point in the neighborhood of point AB, then there exists a positive real number theta 0 less than theta less than 1 such that f of xy equal to f of AB plus h into fx AB plus k into f AB plus 1 upon 2 factorial h square into f double x AB plus 2hk into f of xy AB plus k square into f double y AB plus 1 upon 3 factorial into h cube f triple x AB plus 3h square k f double x y AB plus 3hk square f x double y AB plus k cube f triple y AB plus dot dot dot. Function f of xy we can write down in this way, where h and k, h is x minus k and k is y minus b. Means function f of xy is in power of x minus a, y minus b. This is called as Taylor expansion. Use this formula to evaluate the examples. Example first, expand x cube plus y cube plus xy square in power of x minus 1 and y minus 2. Means expand this function by using Taylor expansion. Here h is x minus 1 and k is y minus b. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 2, h is x minus 1 and k is y minus 2. Function f of xy, let function f of xy is x cube plus y cube plus xy square. Then find the value of function at point AB at point 1, 2. f of 1, 2. Put x is 1 and y is 2. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8 plus 4 equal to 13. f of 1, 2 is 13. Then find out fx means partial derivative of f with respect to x. Derivative of x cube 3x square. Partial derivative of y cube with respect to x 0 plus derivative of x is 1 into y square is y square. Then find out fx 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2. So 3 into 1 square plus 2 square. 3 plus 4 is 7. Answer is 7. Then find out fy. Partial derivative of f with respect to y. Derivative of x cube 0. Derivative of y cube is 3y square plus x derivative of y square 2y. So 3y square plus 2xy. Then find out fy 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2. So 3 into y is 2, so 2 square plus 2 into x is 1, y is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12 plus 2 into 2, 4. 12 plus 4, 16. Then find out f double x. Partial derivative of this function with respect to x. 3 derivative of x square is 2x. 3 2s are 6x. Derivative of y square 0. Then find out f double x at point 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2. 6 into 1 equal to 6. Then find out f of xy. Means find derivative of fy with respect to x. Find derivative of fy with respect to x. Derivative of 3y square 0 plus 2 derivative of x is 1 into y is 2y. f of xy is 2y. Then find out f of xy at point 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2, so 2 into 2 is 4. Then find out f double y. f double y partial derivative of this function with respect to y. 3 derivative of y square 2y. 3 into 2 6y plus 2x derivative of y is 1, so only 2x. Then find out f double y at point 1, 2. Put x is 1, y is 2. 6 into 2 plus 2 into 1. 6 into 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Then find out f triple x. F triple x derivative of 6x is 6. Then find out f triple x at point 1, 2 is 6. F double xy means find out partial derivative of f of xy with respect to x. With respect to x, its derivative is 0. So f double xy 1, 2 is 0. Fx double y means find out f double y, its derivative with respect to x is 2 only. So fx double y 1, 2 is 2. Now f triple y, find out its partial derivative with respect to y is 6 only. So f triple y at 1, 2 is 6. Now put all these value in Taylor's expansion. Now we know by Taylor's expansion, f of xy equal to f of ab plus h into fxab plus k into fyab plus 1 upon 2 factorial into h square f double xab plus 2hk into f of xyab plus k square f double yab plus similarly next term. Now here put the value of ab hk. Put ab hk. So f of xy equal to f of 1, 2. A is 1, b is 2. H is x minus 1 into fx 1, 2. K is y minus 2 into fy 1, 2 plus 1 upon 2 factorial means 1 into 2. H square means x minus 1 square f double x 1, 2 plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 2 f of xy 1, 2 plus y minus 2 bracket square f double y 1, 2 plus 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 x minus 1 bracket cube f triple x 1, 2 plus 3 h square x minus 1 square y minus 2 f double x y 1, 2 plus 3 x minus 1 y minus 2 square f x double y 1, 2 plus y minus 2 cube f triple y 1, 2 plus dot dot dot. And therefore we get, put the value of f of xy. F of xy is x cube plus y cube plus xy square is f of xy is equal to f of 1, 2 is 13 plus x minus 1 fx 1, 2, we know the value of fx 1, 2 is 7 plus y minus 2 fy 1, 2 is 16 plus 1 half into bracket x minus 1 square f double x 1, 2 is 6 plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 2 into f of xy 1, 2 is 4 plus y minus 2 square f double y 1, 2 is 14 plus 1 by 6 inside the bracket x minus 1 bracket cube into 6 f triple x 1, 2 is 6 plus 3 into x minus 1 bracket square y minus 2 f double x y 1, 2 is 0 plus 3 into x minus 1 y minus 2 square fx double y 1, 2 is 2 plus y minus 2 bracket cube f triple y 1, 2 is 6 plus dot 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 in this way. Now simplify this term. So we get x cube plus y cube plus xy square is equal to 13 plus 7 into x minus 1 plus 16 into y minus 2 plus divide by 2. So 3 into x minus 1 square. Here also divide by 2. So we get 4 into x minus 1 y minus 2 plus divide by 2. So 7 into y minus 2 square plus now divide by 6. 6 cancel, so x minus 1 bracket cube. This term is 0 because into 0, so 0. Now here divide by 6, so we get x minus 1 y minus 2 square and plus y minus 2 bracket cube plus dot 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 is the expansion of this term in power of x minus 1 y minus 2. Example second, express x square y as polynomial in x minus 1 and y plus 2 by Taylor's theorem. Solution. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 2. A is 1, b is minus 2. H is x minus 1 and k is y plus 2. Function f of xy is x square y. Function f of xy is x square y. Find the value of function at point AB means at point 1 minus 2. F of 1 minus 2, put x is 1, y is minus 2, so is equal to minus 2. Then find out partial derivative of fx. derivative of x square is 2x into y. Therefore, fx at point 1 minus 2. Put x is 1, y is minus 2. So 2 into 1 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then find out fy, partial derivative of function with respect to y is x square. So fy at point 1 minus 2 is 1 square is 1. Then f double x, its double derivative, its derivative with respect to x is only 2y. F double x at point 1 minus 2 is 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Then find out f of xy, means partial derivative of fy with respect to x is 2x. So f of xy at point 1 minus 2 is 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Then next term f double y, find partial derivative of fy with respect to y, its derivative is 0. So f double y at point 1 minus 2, 0. F triple x, f double x is 2y, its partial derivative with respect to x is 0. So f triple x at point 1 minus 2, 0. F double xy, means find partial derivative of f of xy with respect to x. With respect to x is 2. Therefore f double xy 1 minus 2 is 2. Now f x double y, means find partial derivative of f double y with respect to x is 0. So f x double y 1 minus 2 is 0. And f triple y, f double y 0, f triple y is 0. So f triple y 1 minus 2 is also 0. And therefore by Taylor's expansion, first write down this formula. F of xy is f of ab plus h into fx ab, k into fy ab plus 1 upon 2 factorial. Continue in this way. This is formula of Taylor's expansion. Now here put the value of a is 1, b is minus 2, h is x minus 1 and k is y minus 2. Therefore we get f of xy is f of 1 minus 2, h is x minus 1, fx 1 minus 2, k is y plus 2, fy 1 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 factorial means 1 upon 1 into 2, h is x minus 1 square, f double x 1 minus 2 plus 2 into x minus 1 y plus 2, f of xy 1 minus 2 plus k square y plus 2 square f double y 1 minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 factorial means 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3, h cube x minus 1 cube f triple x 1 minus 2 plus 3 x minus 1 square y plus 2 f double x y 1 minus 2 plus 3 x minus 1 y plus 2 square f x double y 1 minus 2 plus k cube y plus 2 cube f triple y 1 minus 2 plus dot dot dot. Now put the value of f of xy. F of xy is x square y. F of 1 minus 2 is minus 2 plus x minus 1 into fx 1 minus 2. Fx 1 minus 2 is minus 4 plus y plus 2 fy 1 minus 2 is 1 plus 1 half into bracket x minus 1 square f double x 1 minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 1 y plus 2 fxy 1 minus 2 is plus 2 plus y plus 2 bracket square f double y 0 plus 1 by 6 into x minus 1 cube into 0 plus 3 into x minus 1 square y plus 2 f double xy 1 minus 2 is 2 plus 3 into x minus 1 y plus 2 square into 0 plus y plus 2 cube into 0 plus all the next term 0 0. Therefore we get x square y is minus 2. Then this term is minus 4 into x minus 1 plus y plus 2. Now here divide by 2. So we get minus 2 into x minus 1 square. Also divide by 2. So 2 into x minus 1 y plus 2. This is 0. This term is also 0. Now this term divide by 6. So we get x minus 1 square y plus 2. Next term is 0, next term is 0 and all the next terms are 0. So x square y is expanded in power of x minus 1 y plus 2 in this way is the answer. Example 3. Show that the expansion of sin xy in power of x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2 up to and including second degree term is 1 minus pi square by 8 into x minus 1 square minus pi by 2 into x minus 1 y minus pi by 2 minus 1 half into y minus pi by 2 bracket square. Means expand sin xy in power of x minus 1 and y minus pi by 2. Means here a is 1 and b is pi by 2. Function f of xy is sin xy. H is x minus 1 and k is y minus pi by 2. A is 1, b is pi by 2, h is x minus 1 and k is y minus pi by 2. F of xy, function f of xy is sin xy. Then find out f of 1 pi by 2. F of 1 pi by 2, x is 1, y is pi by 2, so sin pi by 2, and we know sin pi by 2 is 1. Find out fx, derivative of sine. Derivative of sine is cos xy into y. Means y into cos xy. Find out fx 1 pi by 2. Put x is 1, y is pi by 2. So is equal to, we get pi by 2 cos pi by 2. Y is pi by 2, x is 1. So pi by 2 cos pi by 2. We know cos pi by 2 is 0. So pi by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Also find out fy. Partial derivative of f with respect to y. Derivative of sine is cos xy and derivative of xy with respect to y is only x, means equal to x into cos xy. Therefore fy of 1 pi by 2 means here put x is 1 and y is pi by 2, so 1 into cos 1 into pi by 2 is cos pi by 2, and we know cos pi by 2 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. F double x, double derivative, y is a constant, and derivative of cos is minus sin xy and derivative of xy is only y. So this become minus y square sin xy, minus of y into y square sin xy. Then find out f double x at 1 pi by 2. Put the value of x is 1, y is pi by 2, so minus of pi by 2 square into sin of pi by 2. We know sin pi by 2 is 1 and this become minus pi square by 4, sin pi by 2 1, so equal to minus pi square by 4. Now f of xy mean derivative of fy with respect to x. So here apply u into v formula. So first term is x, derivative of cos is minus sin xy and derivative of xy is only y, plus second term cos xy and derivative of x is 1. So equal to, we get minus xy sin xy plus cos xy. Then find the value of f of xy at point 1 pi by 2. Put x is 1, y is pi by 2. So we get minus pi by 2 sin pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0. So equal to minus pi by 2 plus 0 is minus pi by 2. Then find out f double y means partial derivative of y with respect to y. Its partial derivative with respect to y. So x is a constant. Derivative of cos is minus sin xy and derivative of xy is only x. So this become minus x square sin xy. Then find the value of f double y at point 1 pi by 2. Put x is 1, y is pi by 2. So we get minus sin pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 is 1, so equal to minus 1. Now find up to only second degree term. So find up to second degree derivative. Now by Taylor expansion, f of xy equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab plus up to second term plus dot dot dot. Here put the value of a is 1, h is pi by 2. So we get f of xy is f of a is 1, h is pi by 2 plus h is x minus 1. So fx 1 pi by 2, k is y minus pi by 2, fy 1 pi by 2 plus 1 upon 2 factorial means 1 upon 1 into 2, x minus 1 square, f double x 1 pi by 2 plus next term in this way. Now put the value of all these terms. We know f of xy is sin xy, f of 1 pi by 2 is 1, plus x minus 1 into fx 1 pi by 2, its value is 0, plus y minus pi by 2 fy 1 pi by 2, its value is also 0, plus 1 half inside the bracket x minus 1 bracket square f double x 1 pi by 2 is minus pi square by 4, plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus pi by 2 f of xy 1 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, plus y minus pi by 2 bracket square f double y 1 pi by 2 is minus 1, plus dot dot dot. Therefore we get sin xy equal to, this term is 1, next term 0, next term 0, then multiply by 2, so minus pi square by 8 x minus 1 bracket square, divide by 2, so 2 cancel, so minus pi by 2 x minus 1 y minus pi by 2, then this term plus minus become minus 1 half y minus pi by 2 bracket square, plus dot dot dot. This is expansion of sin xy in power of x minus 1 y minus pi by 2. Example 4th, expand x raised to y at 1 1 up to term of order 3, means up to third order term. Here a is 1 and b is 1 and f of xy is x raised to y. So put x is a, y is a, so f of 1 1 is 1 raised to 1 is 1. Then find out fx, partial derivative with respect to x, derivative of x raised to y is y x raised to y minus 1. Use formula x raised to n x raised to n minus 1, so derivative of x raised to y is y x raised to y minus 1. Find out fx 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, so 1 raised to 0 is 1 only, so 1 into 1 is 1. Then find out fy, partial derivative of x raised to y with respect to y, so derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log a, so derivative of x raised to y is x raised to y log x. Find the value of fy at point 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, 1 raised to 1 is 1 log 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Then f double x, double derivative of this term, so y, derivative of x raised to y minus 1 is y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2. Y is a constant, derivative of x raised to y minus 1 is y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2. Find f double x at point 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, so 1 into bracket 1 minus 1 into 1 raised to 1, 1 raised to minus 1. So 1 minus 1 0, 0 into any term is 0. Then fxy, then find out fxy. Here partial derivative of fy with respect to x, here apply u into v formula. First term x raised to y, x raised to y, and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, x raised to y derivative of log x 1 upon x, then log x and derivative of x raised to y, derivative of x raised to y is y x raised to y minus 1. Then find out f of xy at point 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, so x raised to 0 1 into 1 log 1 plus 1 upon 1. Now we know log 1 is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Now f double y, partial derivative of fy with respect to y, so log x constant, and derivative of x raised to y is x raised to y into log x. So x raised to y log x into log x means log x bracket square. Then find out f double y at point 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, 1 raised to 1 is 1 log 1 bracket square. Log 1 is 0, so equal to 0. Then f triple x, derivative of this function with respect to x, so y minus 1 constant, derivative of x raised to y minus 2 is y minus 2 x raised to y minus 3. Find f triple x at point 1 1, put x is 1, y is 1, so 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2 into 1 raised to 1, 1 minus 1 0, so equal to 0. Now f double xy means find derivative of f of xy with respect to x. Find out its derivative with respect to x. So equal to we get, here apply u into v formula, y into log x constant, y into log x constant. Derivative of x raised to y minus 1 is y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2 plus y into x raised to y minus 1 and derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus this term is x raised to y minus 1, its derivative is y minus 1 x raised to y minus 2. Then find out f double x y at point 1 1. Put here x is 1, y is 1. So here y is 1, so 1 minus 1, so 0. Next term, here put x is 1, y is 1, 1, x raised to 0, 1 upon 1 is 1, so this term is 1. Plus here y is 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Therefore f of x double y means f double y its partial derivative with respect to x. F double y its derivative with respect to a. So apply u into v formula. First term x raised to y and derivative of log x bracket square is 2 log x and derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x bracket square and derivative of x raised to y is y x raised to y minus 1. So is equal to we get 2 x raised to y upon x is x raised to y minus 1 into log x plus y into x raised to y minus 1 into log x bracket square. Therefore we get f of x double y at point 1 1. Put x is 1, y is 1, x is equal to 2x raised to 0 is 1 into log 1 plus 1 x raised to 0 is 1 into log 1 bracket square. We know log 1 is 0, so first term is 0, log 1 is 0, 0. Now find out f triple y. F double y, its derivative with respect to y. So log x bracket square constant, derivative of x raised to y is x raised to y into log x. So log x into log x bracket square is log x bracket cube. Then find out f triple y at point 1 1. Put x is 1, y is 1. 1 raised to 1 into log 1 bracket cube. Log 1 is 0, so equal to 0. Now by Taylor series, we know f of xy equal to f of ab plus h into fx ab plus k into fy ab plus dot dot dot, same way all these terms. Now here put a is 1, b is 1, h is x minus 1 and k is y minus 1. Therefore we get f of xy equal to f of 1 1 plus h is x minus 1 into fx11 plus k is y minus 1 fy11 plus 1 upon 2 factorial x minus 1 square f double x11 plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 1 f of xy11 plus y minus 1 square f double y11 plus dot dot dot. Put all these values. F of xy is x raised to y, f of 1 1 is 1 plus x minus 1 into fx11 is 1 plus y minus 1 fy11 is 0 plus 1 half into bracket x minus 1 square f double x11 is 0 plus 2 into x minus 1 y minus 1 f of xy11 is 1 plus y minus 1 bracket square f double y11 is 0 plus 1 upon 3 factorial means 1 upon 1 into 2 into 3 x minus 1 bracket cube f triple x11 is 0 plus 3 x minus 1 square y minus 1 f double x y 1 1 is 1 plus 3 x minus 1 y minus 1 bracket square f x double y 1 1 is 0 plus y minus 1 bracket cube f triple y 1 1 is 0 plus dot dot dot, and therefore x raised to y is equal to 1 plus x minus 1 plus next term is 0 plus this term is 0 plus divide by 2, so x minus 1 y minus 1 x minus 1 y minus 1 plus 0 plus here 1 by 6 into bracket, this first term is 0, 1 by 6 into 3 is 1 half x minus 1 square y minus 1 plus 0 plus dot 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 is our required answer. Dear friend, subscribe this channel and share to our friend. Thank you.